Nothing, huh? Oh, I'm on. I thought I hit you for a second.
Oh yeah, I had one chewed off my tail.
We was stuck in some grass there. This one's way too small. Puny. Oh, little guy. Littlest one yet. He'll be big one day. Oh my God. He's even smaller. Oh my God, he's so small. Puny largemouth. Oh, I'm on. Little guy. Little chubby little chubber. That's right behind you here. Little largy. Yeah, it was like right in this little section there. Ooh, a little chubby belly, huh?
Yeah, yeah.
You got one? Nice. The rock bass?
Yeah.
Man, I haven't caught one of those in like a year and a half.
Nice fat one too.
There we go. About 11 inches. Getting hot? Oh, we on, baby. Oh, little guy. Little smallmouth. These big girls at. Oh! Hey, largemouth. That might work. That might be over. Oh, come back. That might be over 12 something. hate to measure this such a small fish. But if it gives me a little point, right? Let's see. I want him jumping out. 12.75. I think that's what I needed to beat. Okay. Oh! Smallmouth. Oh, he's got all the hooks, dang it. Jesus. There we go. Little guy. Puny smallmouth. Oh, 3 in 1 hand. What the heck? Oh, there we go. It's too small. Well, I need them bigger than this for where I'm at right now. Okay.
Yeah, that guy. Hey.
12. Oh my God, he came off. Now, man. All right. Little guy. Ooh. Little largemouth. Oh, yeah, the trail's right there. I'm gonna grab this so I can pull it somehow.
If you pull your boat, I can hold on to your boat.
Oh, this is so bad idea. I feel like it's right. Oh, didn't touch the water. All right, so now this thing is made for deer, apparently. Hoisting like deer carcasses, hunters, so it should be able to. Oh, of course, now I'm about falling. I don't want to break my rod tip. I'm gonna actually take this out. Yeah, we're actually on the trail. This is perfect.
Great.
All right. Oh my God, I almost fell through that. There's a fucking pipe right here. Very thin. You gotta go like this way. No, one place, dude, I went up like a hill like that. It was nuts. All right. Grab this so I don't forget it. Actually, let me grab my wheels real fast so I can move this a little further up. what a pain in the... Ah! I did it anyway. Ah! Damn it.
Found that pipe?
There's a pipe there and then it falls down like a more creek-like thing. Son of a... Oh, look at that. Straight mud.
Oh, I saved it.
Yeah.
Sign right there.
Yeah, what the hell? You did it too?
God damn.
It's so thin right there. There it is.
Son of a bitch.
Oh, I'm about to say a golf ball, but it probably fell out of my thing. Is there more people? All right. Good times. Whoa, the hell? What the?